It's the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion. This is for Saturday, the 6th of January. I'm Michael Groff. Clouds on the increase today and tonight, but the big story will be our upcoming widespread, potentially moderate rain event late Tuesday into early Wednesday, which we'll certainly talk about as we dive in and discuss this morning, or I should say this early afternoon. 77 degrees was the high in the valley yesterday after a morning low of 50, and outside right now here at 12:15 p.m., we have plenty of high clouds, 68 degrees at Sky Harbor, dew points at 30, humidity 24%. The winds are light, and the barometer is falling. Temperatures across south central Arizona at this hour. It's in the mid-60s to low 70s for most of us. I don't think it's 56 at Buckeye. That's likely an old temperature. Water vapor satellite view shows an area of low pressure entering the Great Basin. That's responsible for the increase in high clouds, but that'll very quickly move north of Arizona this afternoon and tonight. Watch warning map. Not a whole lot going on here compared to where we had been the last several days. Still some wind chill warnings across the Northeast. It is brutally cold there. And some winter weather advisories in Missouri and some of the adjacent areas. With much of the nation in cool, stable air, certainly nothing to worry about today on the convective outlook. And rainfall around here for the next 7 days looks like about 1/4 to 1/3 of an inch here in the valley. Heavier amounts across the northern part of our state. Some of that will obviously be coming down in the form of snow in select areas and heavier rains in Southern California as well. We'll talk about why that is right now as we get out to the models. Here's the GFS, the 12Z run. This is valid tomorrow afternoon at 5 p.m. The upper look at 18,000 feet. That area of low pressure over the Great Basin today will be over the southern plains by tomorrow. But around here, high pressure will be the rule. And we'll see decreasing clouds tomorrow. Should become partly cloudy by tomorrow afternoon. High temperatures still low to mid 70s. Monday morning starts the day out in the mid 40s to low 50s. And then we climb into the low and mid 70s. Now you see some green on the map. There will certainly be an increase in moisture out ahead of this low pressure area. Some degree of a subtropical moisture tap will take place. Probably not significant moisture, but certainly enough to warrant some widely scattered light showers, some sprinkles, especially across northern Arizona, but maybe even here in the valley we see a very light shower at some point Monday afternoon, Monday night, but certainly nothing to get too worked up about just yet. Now Tuesday, this is where our main event comes in. We'll see plenty of clouds around. I think the day is mostly cloudy. Still, high temperatures should get into the low and mid 70s with warm air advection out ahead of this system. But by Tuesday afternoon, the moisture is sufficient enough to start to see some rain increasing here across south central Arizona. So we'll put at least a chance of showers in by Monday afternoon. Then Monday night, rain becomes likely. It'll be light to moderate at times, but it's not going to last too long because by Wednesday morning, that is out of here. By, I would say, mid-morning, most of the rain should be over here in the Phoenix area. It should be off into eastern Arizona at that point. And then Wednesday afternoon is partly cloudy, but it'll be much cooler with high temperatures only in the upper 50s and low 60s. We should be in the low to mid 60s on Thursday with mostly sunny skies. And then high pressure returns by Friday with high temperatures back in the low 70s. Here's a week from today. This is Saturday, the 13th of January. High pressure is the rule again, a dry northwest flow, high temperatures low and mid 70s. And then here's the end of the 10-day forecast period. This is Tuesday, the 16th of January. Tuesday morning still looks dry around here, but another impressive trough heading for the Pacific Northwest coast, and that may start to affect us just beyond this period. Let's check the temperatures coming off of the European ensemble through the period, and we'll keep it above average the next couple of days, and then by Tuesday and certainly Wednesday, that's when our big dip in temperatures starts to happen. Wednesday, Thursday, highs back in the 60s, and then we'll warm it back up above average once again. And that's going to wrap it up for the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for today. My next video comes back here on Monday morning, and if you like our videos, be sure to subscribe so that whenever we post a brand new one, you'll get the notifications. Otherwise, be safe out there and have a great rest of your weekend, everybody.